Hi everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. And this is a 1967 Mustang, and it's been fiddled with a wee bit. Now I have a lot to rate to you, and I can't wait to do it. Are you ready? Sure. Generation 2 Coyote swap. This has the 6R80 6-speed automatic transmission. So the original computer that came on this car, it's great and all, but you can always buy a Ford Racing control pack with the computer, and that is going to be a lot more tunable, and it can adjust to everything that's been done to this car. Now, it's not only just a Generation 2 Coyote, it also has a Roush Phase 2 Supercharger, putting a whopping 727 horsepower to the flywheel. Horsepower, are you hearing this?
Yes.
Thank you. It's got a Currie 9-inch rear end, 389 rear gears with a track pack. This also has a custom drive shaft. This has Ridetech 4-link rear suspension with coilovers, an AJE K-member with front coilovers, Doug long tube headers. It's not a guy named Doug that made the headers, it's Doug's long tube headers, and custom stainless steel exhaust, Borla mufflers. I mean, it's got a ton of stuff, and we're going to have it all on the website. Vintage air system that actually looks like the real air, which I really love when they do that. Let's see, it's got the Eleanor style rear end, all these splitters and the front bumpers and all that are all custom made. The interior is obviously race seats. This car is pushing out a lot of horsepowers, don't you think? Yes. Now, I don't actually talk about other people and other YouTubes, but the guys who actually did a lot of this work are on YouTube. And should I mention them? Sure. Brenspeed, B-R-E-N-S-P-E-E-D. They kind of talk about it, but they don't show videos of the build, but these guys clearly know what they're talking about, as I do not. I hope they don't tear us up in the old comments, but they seem very knowledgeable, and they know what they're doing as far as building these cars. This is clearly a pretty wicked build. And here is, wow. So to get it all to fit in here, they did a lot of custom work, obviously. They had to make it work. They had to get custom motor mounts. Did you see that? Yeah, I saw that in the video. To make it all fit under this hood. They didn't want to do anything with the hood. They wanted it to fit in here. So they got custom motor mounts and put them down there. They did a lot of custom work to this car.
Yeah, Boss 302 valve covers, which is cool. I think the strut tower brace is obviously custom. Yep. Got a carbon fiber cold air intake over there.
Yep.
The Ford Performance Roush Supercharger. And yeah, it fits under the hood line, which is impressive. You got a tiny little battery over here.
It's tiny.
So that it fits in this engine bay. Aluminum radiator. This has upgraded cooling for this Coyote because now it's making 700 and plus horsepower at the flywheel, so it needs special cooling. I do like the fog lights in the grille. That's cool.
That is wicked.
Kind of an Eleanor style looking Mustang, but yeah, custom diffuser, custom splitter, custom side skirts. Stance is awesome. Fiberglass hood with the big old scoop. Obviously it looks awesome. Corbeau racing seats with blue harnesses. Got big old speakers in the back too, so this has a sound system.
Huge speakers.
Not that you'll be able to hear it at all, because this is one of the loudest vehicles I have ever heard.
And that's saying a lot where we work.
Yeah, you know how if you've been around loud Coyotes, you know how ear-piercing loud they can get. This one's, I would say, bearable, but it's if you can't hear us talking while we're doing the drive, that's probably why. It's a very loud car.
Yeah, so it'll be a lot of engine noise, which is great. It's got 3-inch exhaust. They're all custom made because they wanted cutouts and the whole nine in it. So
yeah, it does have cutouts. There's a button on the key fob. We're going to figure out how to get that to work. We think now that it's off of RPM, so they open at a certain RPM. There's a switch on the dash. You can turn them on. But yeah, it's already loud enough as it is with them closed. So I think we're going to just try to leave them closed.
I agree.
Yeah, this is a crazy build, extremely fast. I've driven it. It's got the 6R80, which is a good transmission, but it's a lot.
It's a lot.
You want to start it up?
Let's do it.
God, it like vibrates your chest when he revs it. I like these taillights too. Blinking in real life, they're just LED, so the frame rate of the camera makes it look like that. They are on. Baer brakes as well. I don't remember if you mentioned that. 4-wheel power discs. You're gonna need that to stop. There's the headlights. But yeah, big Baer brakes, very helpful. in it to win it. Again, if it's difficult to hear us, we're sorry. This car is loud. Oh, I like the green on that BMW.
That is amazing. Did you take a picture of that? Wow, I love that car.
Yeah, but enough about the Beamer. We're in a cool Mustang.
We are in a really cool Mustang.
We still have cranky windows. They're not mad at you. You just got to crank them to put them up and down. Here we go. Got 3,600 stalls, so yeah, you got to give this thing some RPM. And it wants some beans? Some beans. It wants to go, but not too many. It's a lot of power. I did put some gas in it too, because I'm sure this doesn't have 40 miles to the gallon like a Prius. Probably gets less than that. Wanted to make sure we had enough. Let's see, you got your upgraded radio down here, and then you got gauges for volts, a clock, and a boost gauge down there. The left-hand switch there is line lock. We do have line lock. That's cool. We're not going to use it though. I was surprised this isn't electric. It's very quiet. You can barely hear it. It's whisper quiet. Whisper quiet. Yeah, on the dashboard you have oil pressure, which is good, RPM, fuel, speedo, and coolant temp all the way over there. And then down there, it does have a boost. I already explained that. Boost, voltage, and a clock. But yeah, you got the nice white-faced gauges over here. Very nice. Yeah, I don't know why you never use the radio. Wow. I mean, it drives nice. It does, and when you're not into it, I mean, look, I'm going 40, 45 miles an hour, under $2 grand. That's not bad for 389. You got 6 speeds. That's pretty good. It is. Cruise is nice. It's not uncomfortable. I honked the horn and I couldn't hear it. The horn doesn't hurt. People can. You can't really hear it from in here. If you can't hear us coming, I don't know who you are. Yeah, I know. You should be on the road. You got the nice automatic shifter down here. The console is nice, wrapped in like leather and stuff. Same with here. You got storage. The seats are comfy. They are. They're pretty aggressive buckets, but I like them. Well, the dashboard's nicely laid out. Everything is nice and clean. It really is neat. It doesn't look bad. The dash seems pretty factory as far as the layout goes. Obviously, aftermarket gauges and the radio and stuff, but you still got like the Mustang badge. Same materials for the most part. It looks good. Got a big old hood scoop out there, though. It does have a hood scoop. That's fun to look at. Oh, it is. Well, nice, we know what's underneath it. Nice steering wheel with the Shelby Cobra in the middle of it. Oh, yeah. We do have no back seats. None. We have a spare back there, the big speakers and stuff. Speakers on the sides as well, and a little roll hoop. That's what the belts are mounted to. Up there. That's important. Headliner's nice. Just kind of this plastic Mustang material. You got visors that are reupholstered. It is fast. I have no doubt. I'm a little afraid about the bean test. It's stupid fast. Yeah, take it easy on the bean test. Yeah, I know. I've got to be careful. And I will. That Demon was so much, the Red Eye we did was so much fun. This should be similar, but I'm going to take it easy. Weighs a lot less than the Red Eye we drove earlier. Oh, and I bet there's no traction control. And I bet they're similar in horsepower. Yeah, neither one has traction. That's for sure. That's a second T-Bird I saw today. Alright, we're at the bean test. Let's see how many beans it has, but let's not use all of them. That's a good idea. I promise you I'm not laying into it. I can tell. That is just fast. Holy mackerel. Wow. That was 80 miles, 35 miles an hour. That's right, got there in a hurry too. Yeah, that felt like about 30 to 40% throttle input from you there. I put my heavy foot on it, that's it, that's all I did. Oh my goodness. Wow, this car is not kidding around. You be careful on your black ice too. Yeah, it's not kidding around, that's for sure. This one's to rip your head off. Whew. Wow. It's got a nice chop too. It does. So I'm wondering if there's maybe different cams in the Coyote? Because Coyotes don't normally chop like this. Not like this, but they've done a lot with that Ford, that control pack, and then the Supercharger. There's a lot going on. I really couldn't hear the Supercharger from in here. I really don't care though. It's got plenty of power and it sounds good. A lot of power. All right, please put the belts on. Be careful. We're all counting on you. Let's do a couple flybys.
It's a lot of car. But it's got a lot of nice features, and it was a good build. Those guys on that YouTube channel are very nice. They seem very nice people, and they know what they're doing. Because it's definitely built, it's a purpose-built vehicle. Thank you. I like the lights. That's not a joke. That's crazy. Did you hear me? You know what? I almost missed it.
I know, you can barely hear me, right? Oh, my lights were on still.
It's okay, look good.
Yeah, I think this is too much power for a mere mortal like myself.
I agree.
Yeah,
on the way out, that was funny.
Yeah, I was getting a little squirrely, then like half throttle, and same on the way back, half throttle.
It sounded really good on the way back.
It shifted amazing. It's such a linear power band with the Supercharger. It's fast, but it rides nice. It drives
as loud
nice.
as it is, the only thing that shakes on it is this mirror. The rest of the car is built very well.
The windows
good
up
suspension.
a little bit. I did think when we were on our drive, the cutouts were slightly open because I hit the close button on the key with the little cutout switch on, and it got a little quieter.
Yeah, it's much nicer.
It's coming out the back now, so that was user error on our part, but they do work, which is nice.
They do work, yay.
But yeah, this is insane.
It's a lot of car.
It's a lot of car. You ready to take it back?
Yes.